Hi, good morning, and good morning. Just gonna cross the prom when can. Bit of a dreary morning, it's rainy. We're on Tuesday, it's at the 12th. It's about 10 o'clock, yeah, bikers late on parade again. One tick. I've got a hood up. It's going over. Can't see. Tide's in, but it's really still in it. There's hardly any wind. It's just dreary. Not too nice. You can see it's just overcast, isn't it? So I hope everyone's well and staying safe. Let's just have a look out here. The rain's starting a bit more now. Ah well, never mind. So yeah, we've not had the video on for a couple of days. We're trying, as people know, trying to sort things out. Hopefully that'll be done ASAP. Once again, thanks to those that did the coffee. Thank you so much. But we're on to other things now, aren't we? Let's get moving forward. The last video I did, I think it was, I was saying about another channel. I'm still not sure about that, to be honest. I know some comments were, look, why biker, just use the one you've got, and others were, yeah, do that one, biker. So, I don't know. If you did see that one, let me know what you think. Basically just another channel where, see what trouble biker gets himself into, and, you know, more, not in depth, but what we're going to start doing, I've got the bike keys back, by the way, because that needs sorting out. Can't be done at the moment. Got them back over the weekend. George, thank you very much. Yeah, got the chocolate and that from the pub on Saturday. That's half the reason why I bobbed in, because she said there was something there for me, George, so thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Oh, it is wet. Never mind. Yeah, but last thing on it, but the car should be sorted by tomorrow, hopefully. Hopefully, we'll see. Yeah, dreary day. Let me know how everyone is, seeing as though we haven't had, there's not been a video. I've just Sunday didn't go out, yesterday didn't move, not moved much at all, to be honest. Wind's getting up a bit now as well, to be fair. That's one of them dreary mornings in April, those April showers. It's not cold though, it's not too cold. So yeah, on the comment, if you don't mind, let me know, what do you think, second channel? I've got one that I could start pretty soon, but yeah, we'll see. Might do and just see how it goes there. We'll see. There you go. Here's a start, obviously. Middle walk, top walk, lower walk just below us. Just one sec. Ooh. If you ever here, you've never been this end before, this is where the three walks start. Just after the Metropole. walking northwards. Yeah, let me know what it's like where you are, because I know Sharon said yesterday it's gorgeous down in Devon, and yet we had rain here and that. It weren't too bad, but there were rain and what have you. But I know, yeah, it was a nice day down in Devon yesterday. Hang on, just bear me a second, this hood is doing my boxing. It's a bit better. This big jacket, one of them fairy hood things. There's always something fairy. Ah well. So yeah, we've got Easter coming as well, haven't we? Start this weekend. Everything starts up again in Blackpool. We will do something on that. Maybe tomorrow. I'm just doing this one for now though, so we can catch up basically. So yeah, it's about 10 o'clock at the moment. This will go on. I am late on parade, like I've said. Try to sort things out and that this morning. Tram's full. You never know, it might just clear later on. You never know, do you? Just have a wander up this way a second. See traffic here. Going towards Talbot Square. Crazy Golf. Just watching this phone with it getting a bit slippy. Yeah, I still haven't got a gauge for it. I will do, I'll get one this week. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that rain or see it on film, on camera, but it's just a bit of a yucky morning. But, okay, I think I said before, the Metropoles now, I've been told, taking bookings, normal bookings, I presume obviously as soon as we're coming up for Easter. Well, we'll leave it here. I just wanted to catch base, that's all. Say hello. Let me know what it's like where you are. Planning on coming for Easter. Not long now, just a few days. Linda, I know you're coming over soon. But once again, thanks to everyone that did the cold feet. It is very much appreciated. But from just outside the Metropole as usual, on a dreary, wet, a bit of a miserable morning. Once again, thanks to everyone. Most of all, stay safe. You know what it is. Have a cracking day.